Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kavita, licensed acupuncturist. Today we are going to discuss about acupressure points for neck pain. The common causes of neck pain are nerve compressions, injury, resting in same position for too long, sleeping in an uncomfortable position, stress. The pain can sometimes be due to poor posture, etc. Today I am going to show you 4 acupressure points. Small intestine 3, large intestine 4, TH4, triple heat warmer, meridian 4 and GB 21, that is gallbladder 21. First point is GB 21, that is gallbladder 21. So GB 21 is on your shoulder. GB21 is located on the shoulder, on your shoulder, about halfway between your neck, where your arms begin, or midway between D14, here is a D14, and the acromion at the highest point of the shoulder. This is the highest point of your shoulder. Can feel the depression. This point is bilateral. This is a bilateral point. So do it on both the sides. This is the point. This GB21 is beneficial for shoulder pain, back pain, rigidity of neck, etc. Massage it or pressure this point like this. This is the way. Twice a day, 3 minutes each. So you can do it like this. This is the way. Second acupressure point is small intestine 3, that is SI3. On your hand, this point is located on the ulnar edge of the hand. Here is ulnar edge, where the dark and fair skin meet, proximal to the head of the fifth metacarpal head. Here the fifth metacarpal head. So this is the point. Press or massage this point like this. This is a bilateral point. So do it on both the sides. Twice a day, 3 minutes each. This is the way. Now let's move on to the third acupressure point, that is SJ2 or TH2. Triple heat meridian 2 point is located in the depression. Point 5 tune proximal to the margin of the web in between the ring and small fingers at the border of the dark and fair skin. The point is exactly here. Press or massage this point. This is the way. Twice a day, 3 minutes each. This is a bilateral point. So do it on both the sides. Last point, that is large intestine 4. Large intestine, that is LI4 point, located on your hand. This LI4 you can find by locating the fleshy depression just beyond the meeting point where our thumb and the first finger bone meet in a V shape. The highest bulge. This point is usually achy, which can help to know we have found the spot. This is a bilateral point. So we can do it on both the sides. If you are pregnant, avoid using this LI point. So I showed you 4 acupressure point. Activate it twice or thrice a day, regular base. You will get a good result. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.